easy tune I made up as a little girl to help pronounce it. It's Saoirse with an R, not Sourcey with an R, cause Sourcey with an R goes or not R. It's sh instead of s, instead of E, simple as can be, see Saoirse.
I knew she'd read the script, and then we were set up on a Skype call, and we instantly got very giddy. Yeah, just looking at each other's faces.
Still happens now,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
It does still happen.
Still has that effect on me.
You had me at hello.
I don't know why I touched your ear. Oh, I know how to say this. Gal Gadot. Gal Gadot.
Gal Gadot.
Is it? The people who work with her say Gal Gadot. So they're all wrong. My mama didn't raise me to be afraid of no storm. She raised me to be a fearless Christian sex addict with gum diseases you ain't even heard of, player.
Breakfast Club or maybe Clueless, not very realistic, but did you have to do extra prep in creating that feel of American high school?
I mean, it is kind of like that.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I grew up watching Saved by the Bell, and it wasn't that far off. I'm essentially Kelly Kapowski.
Yeah.
I think this is Joe. I don't want to say Joe Manganiello. Joe Manganiello? Joe Manganiello. Hi, I bought my boyfriend this men's cologne because I thought he was a man, but he's actually a bitch on the rag, so I'd like to exchange it for these tampons.
All right.
How are you? I'm nice boots.
Thanks. Nikolai Coster Waldo.
Close, Nikolai
Coaster, you give me that one.
Babe, why are you doing this?
Because a man protects his woman.
Babe, a drunk guy spilled a drink on your shoe. I'm not gonna kick his ass for that.
Right, yeah, because you're a little girl who needs her tampons.
Okay, you guys are all set.
Great, thanks. I'm leaving. Don't follow me. Are you coming?
Yes, I don't know what to do.
I think it's really important that you've got that. Oh wait, is that a spoiler?
Tia Leone. Her name is T. I just realised T is my favourite thing. Imagine being called T, that'd be brilliant.
Good luck.
Ready?
I really don't like looking at films that I'm in. Lady Bird was the first time I actually was like, yeah, it's good. I could.
Who is this? What? Maxim. What? Shmerkovsky. Shmerkovsky.
Actually, very close.
Shmerkovsky. Okay, well there you go. Like.
Doink, 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 doink.
Oh my God, the Doink Doink is amazing.
Yes, we have eyes, Sylvia.
$5,000. Oh, typical Cecile, jump in when the action's hot.
10,000, and I'll raise myself to 15. I must have the doink.
Like I have said this before, like when I was on SNL, I never watched the show. Like I never watched the show from the moment I started until the moment I stopped, because I didn't want to be aware of what I look like. And like if I looked in a mirror before I started talking to you, I would know what you were looking at, and I think I would be more aware of what.
This is my face.
Does that make sense? You know what I mean?
No.
And now I have no idea.
Milo Ventimiglia. Ventimiglia. Let's see how good I am at that. How many did I get?
I could do an impression of Jim Carrey as the Grinch.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this place is going to explode.
$100,000. I don't even need to hear it.
What if it's not good? Of course it'll be good. It's Chad, you cow.
Just shut up, all of you. Let Chad work.
And I won't watch it.
You look great. No. You look fantastic. If that's what you want me to say.
That is, thank you.
Yeah,
All right, now
I mean, I don't know what I
finish.
look like right now, Serge. What do you think? How do you feel?
I just can't tell.
How do you feel?
Hi, I'm Saoirse Ronan, and I hope you'll watch me tonight when I appear on Late Night with Shmeath Mayer. Is that how you pronounce his name? Shmeath? Something like that.
See.
me. Kelly's a thief. She stole my breath away.
Go away.
Ouch, that hurt my feelings, but you can make it up to me by taking me to the movies on Friday.
No, for real, like get out of my space.
All right, cool. Turning me down. Must be lesbian.
And I'd also like to do a silent film where I just don't talk, because I just prefer to not talk in films. I don't love lines.
Yeah.
Some lines are fine, but I find, I don't know if it's the same when you do
Yeah.
stuff, but do you just like cut all the time?
You mean like cut things out of the...
Like cut your lines or like make them...
Like maybe I don't have to say this.
Yeah, and like maybe I should just stand in the background, do you think? Is that good for you?
He's from Ireland. I was taking a picture with him
You're from
earlier.
Ireland? Where are you from? Oh, very good. I love Derry. It's one of my favourite cities.
But it's wonderful. I know. It's great because you had to learn. Because you had to actually learn some English ways for the film. So I thought seeing a countryman. Pledge of Allegiance you had to learn.
For
the
American, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, Beanie Feldstein, who plays my best friend in it, she taught me the Pledge of Allegiance and I taught her the Hail Mary.
It all works.
I'm sorry, Kelly.
My name's Jacqueline. And you're right, I am a lesbian. It was really hard for me to come out, but you know, thinking about dating a guy like you makes me really glad I did.
So, Kristen, quick question for you. I was just wondering, also, I'm sure you know it by now because everyone who knows both of us has probably told you, Bridesmaids is my favourite film in the whole wide world, and I quote it daily, literally daily.
Folks, that was our Captain Pee Wee Riley. That's his nickname.
Yes, because something on his body is giant and he's ashamed of it. And that's all we're going to say about it.
And that part of his body is his penis.
When you don't refuel, you end up, like doing things like this and then crying in the bathroom.
Right.
Do you know what I mean?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm like the music on the outside too, like, hey guys.
Hold on.
Well, because...
Oh.